presenting the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 3.92 rear axle ratio, anti-spin differential rear axle, black, Class 4 hitch receiver, leather-faced front vented bucket seats, maximum steel metallic, monotone paint application, power sunroof, quick order package 26H Laramie and remote start system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.